Let me introduce you to our campus, which is spread over 32 acres, right in the heart of the beautiful Aravalli Mountains. Surrounded by nature, PMCH houses a hospital, nursing, dental, physiotherapy, paramedical college buildings, and UG hostels and PG flats. From the stunning sunrises to calm sunsets, the vibe over here is perfect for both learning and relaxation. Whether it is attending lectures or simply hanging out with friends, there's always something happening in the campus. This lecture theatre of ours is newly built to elevate the learning experience. With a capacity of 400 seats, ये fully soundproof है और इसमें multiple screens लगे हुए हैं to ensure even backbenchers पूरा attention pay कर सकें. Integrating advanced technologies into our classes have made the lectures interactive as well as impactful, even when it is an early morning class. We have several other theatres like this across the campus, ensuring there's enough space for all kinds of lectures. अब हम practical class के लिए जा रहे हैं. Mobility within the buildings is by using either the lift or the stairs. This is our skill lab. यहाँ you can often find us learning how to give CPRs or many other techniques on the demos. We have a lot of demos. अब medical students का असली base camp होता है library spaces. PMCH campus has 3 massive air-conditioned libraries, and this one is spread across the entire floor and is filled with books encompassing every possible author. और अगर कोई book available नहीं है, तो हमारे लिए staff books arrange करा देते हैं. There are even study rooms inside the library. Attached to the library is the computer lab with over 70 systems. It is open all year round for us to access research material and digital tools. Imagine sitting in the library studying while catching the solid sunset of Udaipur, which has been approved by our favorite Naina Talwar from Ye Jawani Hai Diwani. हमारे hostels are surrounded by greenery, making them a peaceful place to relax after hectic schedules. The rooms are comfortable and well maintained with balconies that have the most scenic views. Just outside, we have a big parking lot. ये हमारी mess है. यहाँ पर हमें breakfast, lunch, snacks and dinner serve होता है. यहाँ पर हमें बिल्कुल हर जैसा well balanced meals मिलते हैं, and on festive occasions there is even a special menu. ये तो best part भी नहीं है. खाने में use किए हुए सब ingredients हमारे ही college farm house से आते हैं, completely organic and fresh. और late night cravings के लिए Tealogy Cafe is our savior. This open air cafe has everything from cheesy snacks to healthy smoothies. Open till 2 a.m. It is a lifesaver for those midnight study or gossip sessions. The best part, they even deliver food straight to our hostels. The cafe has a beautiful aesthetic with music playing in the background, perfect for unwinding after a hectic day. Tealogy के सामने ही हमारा gym है, open morning and evening for students. It is fully loaded with all kinds of fitness equipments from machines to dumbbells, and trainers are always there to help without any extra charges. For sport enthusiasts, the massive campus grounds are campus के बिल्कुल बीचों बीच है हमारा साईं बाबा मंदिर. यहाँ डेली आरती होती है और पंडित जी हम सब के लिए पूजा करते हैं. The peaceful energy here is unmatched, and it is a perfect place to sit quietly after a hectic day, reflect and find some calmness.